nating judges. One of the judges gave Reza 88%. Another judge gave Sheena 85%. And still another judge gave Mark 82%. Again, hindi pa final yan dahil kukumpita natin ang average scores nila from the three judges. The three highest scorers rounds. Kilalanin kung sino-sino sila sa pagbabalik ng Pinoy Pop Superstar!